Hi, this is Marco from the Customer Experience team at Doist. Today I would like to introduce you to Team Activity, which is a powerful team management functionality available inside Todoist. Let me show you how you can access it. For any given project, you can click on the three-dot symbol next to the project name and then on Team Activity. In the window that opens, you can quickly see the active, the overdue, and the completed tasks next to the comments that have been added to these tasks. And through Team Activity, you can quickly spot bottlenecks, which can be caused, for example, by overdue tasks or by comments that have been left unanswered. And you can then intervene by either offering help or by assigning the task to a different collaborator in the team. You also get a graphical representation of how these metrics have developed over time. And you have this information on a team level, but if you are a member of a paid business plan, you have this information also broken down on an individual level. We hope that Team Activity helps you in effectively managing your team projects. Please let us know what you think, because your feedback can help us to continuously improve Todoist. Thank you for watching.